Hello guys. Welcome to Easy Money channel, where we talk all things on how to make money online, side hustle, and just on how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. If this sound like a great deal, then I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel, and also please reward me by hitting the like button so this video can do well on YouTube. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right to it. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 work-from-home companies that are always hiring now and which is perfect for stay-at-home mothers or either for someone trying to find a part-time job to enhance their finances. Cash App is currently the first company that consistently hires remote workers. With a culture geared toward innovation, collaboration, and impact, Cash App employs hundreds of workers working remotely and in offices throughout the world. Such a remote-friendly company. To view all the positions that are currently open, click See All Jobs here. They have positions on every team. A list of all the areas where they are hiring may be seen here. Where would you like to work, then? Working remotely or in one of these other cities are both options. Even Sydney, Australia, and Melbourne, Australia, have opportunities. So there are also a few remote jobs available in other countries. Paid time off, family, working from home, wellness, healthcare, ownership, growth, and retirement are a few of their perks. What can you now anticipate if you apply for Cash App? Each applicant at Cash App has had a distinctive journey. Here are some suggestions to help you have a wonderful time. They will now provide you with a list of actions you can take to complete your application. The evaluation of resumes will come first, followed by an informal phone interview when they will probably just get to know each other. They will give you a take-home assessment, then you'll have an interview with the team, maybe a few more interviews, and they'll make you an offer if you're both interested continuing with this position. You can therefore click on Step to get advice on how to finish it successfully. What occurs after reviewing your resume? The company will inform you via email of the following steps in the interview process. Let's look at some of their available employment openings right now. They have access to information about data science, design, fraud, analytics, customer success, accounting, and more. You can search based on type. Finding the ideal employment for you is simple since you can work full-time or part-time, on a contract, an internship, or in another function. Humanitic is the second work-from-home company. This company is about reviewing recorded calls, answering simple questions with the click of a button, and employees get paid real money after every call completed. It's really straightforward, it's easy to apply to, and you don't require any experience or any qualification. You can actually do this remote work from the comfort of your home from basically anywhere in the world wide. You can create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you choose. Employees are given the freedom to advance, which will provide more opportunities to earn. So, why should you join Humanitic? How can you apply and how can you actually better yourself in order for you to be able to get this position? Additionally, you can see that Humanitic is free and simple and that they will never charge you any money to get started. They pay you weekly, you don't make or receive calls, and transcribing a full conversation is not necessary for every call you listen to. We are going to find out how to get started. So, here you can see that you will need to verify your PayPal account first before you apply for account in Humanitic. This is where you sign up, if you already have a PayPal account, and if not, simple go to paypal.com to sign up for your free account. You sign up by clicking the Connect PayPal button. There you will be taken to paypal.com to log in and confirm that you have a verified PayPal address. That way, they can verify that you are the person you say you are. Furthermore, you can also verify your PayPal account by completing 2 out of the 3 steps mentioned below. Now the third company is Wyndham Destinations, which is constantly hiring inbound travel representative, work-from-home workers. You can search for this position by going to simplyhire.com and then typing Wyndham in the job title or company in the search bar and entering for the city or zip. The first 3 remote positions by this company will be as followed: inbound travel representative to reservation agents. Most of these remote jobs are open to the United States, and you can apply if you reside in the states of Austin, Texas, Las Vegas, Nevada, Orlando, Florida, etc. If you see your states, simply go ahead and apply for the position that interests you. To apply for this position, go ahead, click Apply Now. This link will take you to Travel and Leisure Careers, which is their official career page to apply for this remote job. This is how the page looks like: job openings, life at TNL, our benefits, internships, join our team and sign in. As you can see here, it says inbound travel representative, work from home, full-time and customer service, general. This is a brief overview about Travel and Leisure Co., their mission, and who can apply to this position. They will pay you $15.50 per hour plus monthly incentives. You are open to weekend off and the start date is November 13th, 2023. But they are always hiring for this work from home job. So, guys, you still have a chance to apply before the start date and after, which is a great opportunity. As an inbound travel representative, all you need to have is a high school diploma or GED, 6 months of customer service and sales experience, and preferable 6 months of travel experience. It's not necessary, but if you have travel experience, it will be a big plus in getting hired for this remote job. Keep in mind that you will be trained for 5 weeks and thereafter work will be scheduled between the hours of 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Monday through Friday. The ability to work some holidays is a must. The requirements for anyone who's looking to work from home with this company are as followed: quiet workplace, high-speed internet, hardware computer to a router, your own personal device, etc. Travel and Leisure Company has rewarding benefits for workers, which include medical, dental, vision, flexible spending accounts, life and accident coverage, disability, and many more diverse range of benefits. So, go ahead and apply by entering your first and last name, mobile number, and email address. Select I agree. If you want to alert you about jobs like this, then simply click it and apply. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on work-at-home remote jobs. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or feedback.